name is Jayesh Kohli and my company name is Metworks Systems Private Limited. We are located here in Greater NOIDA, Ecotech 12. It's an industrial area basically. We are OEMs for telecom racks, server racks, panels and metal furnitures, kiosks and medical products. So it's a wide range. We have multiple portfolios, multiple products. Like we have a wide presence. We are working with multiple MNCs and multiple startups also. So we have companies, MNCs which are from Thailand or from Germany, and startups also from here India only. So it's a widespread association. SLTL, I think it has been around 1.5 year now, and currently we are using Infinity F1 3 kilowatt. So our main purpose for going for the 3 kilowatt basically for Infinity model, the speed and better accuracy, and we have a free hand on the thickness part. So yeah, and maximum currently we are using GI sheets. So for that we are getting complete precision cutting and higher speeds, and we are very much satisfied with the output of the machine. Advantage is that SLTL being an Indian company, being an Indian manufacturer, so we have an advantage in Make in India initiative by our Prime Minister. So yeah, and the quality of the machine and the workmanship that definitely shows upon our products, that the cutting and all the piercings, it's so precise, it's so beautiful that definitely our customer appreciates that. After sales service, that is something which is very much commendable. Like we put on a complaint like just in the evening, like today if I put a complaint, tomorrow morning I'll be having the engineer at my plant, and they fully support us. They are always available on calls, they are always available on sites. Sales team is quite good. They are quite knowledgeable about the machine. We told them that this is our requirement, like we need speed, we need accuracy, and we also want a free hand regarding the thickness part. So they suggested us that you should go for the Infinity F1 3 kilowatt, and here we are, completely satisfied and happy. I have visited the Gandhinagar factory, and it's a very good and very huge place. And the machines and everything, a complete 5S was maintained. Like everything was explained, like how the machine is processed, how the fabrication is done, how the milling part is done, and how all the assembly is done. So we saw the whole process, and it was fascinating. You have diversified in the laser technology very well. Now you are into diamond cutting and these laser cuttings and surgical, lots of multiple other divisions. For me, SLTL, firstly Make in India initiative, and secondly the quality, the workmanship, the service support, after sales support. I'd say that it's a fine company, it's a fine machine.